So hey, we have a couple songs left. They're all fast ones. Do you know what a circle pit is? I know some of you do. The old school guys. You go fast, you turn left. Let's try this one. Before we kick this off, I just want to say that we don't really care if you're a metalhead or a hardcore kid or a punker, because we're all here for the same reason, because we found something more in the words and in the music. Right now! Let yourself go! Right now! This is your family! Right now! This world! And I just want you stronger! Dr. fucking Shane.